Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows 10 Copilot. Whether you are looking to improve privacy or just prefer a distraction-free setup, I will help you to turn it off easily. So let's get started. First, locate your Copilot icon in your taskbar. Open it and at the bottom left corner you will see your profile icon. Click on this and from the menu, select Settings. Now, inside the setting menu, you will see a list of toggles for various Copilot features. You just need to turn off it. So, turn off each and every toggle to disable Copilot. Once you're done with all of this, click on the top right side, the cross button to shut down Copilot and keep it running until you decide to re-enable it. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Windows 10 Copilot. If you want to get it back, just open Copilot and re-enable the features and settings. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.